Hey guys and girls, thanks for stopping by my channel, Jack of All Trades. Hopefully you find this content on this channel informative, and hopefully you find it funny if something funny happens. I definitely try to be serious a lot of times, but also I like to try and joke around, have some fun. I mean, things get frustrating as you're working on them. Bolts snap, bolts get stuck, you can't get to them. And you know, I try to have a good time with it if I can. Sometimes we all get stuck in that point where it's, you know, beyond your mood to get in a better mood. But in any case, please hit that subscribe button for me, hit the notification bell. Definitely let me know how I'm doing. Hopefully I'm doing all right. And hopefully the content actually helps you out. I like to try and help out people as much as possible. Try to give them information where I can. Shoot me comments. If you have questions, you can always hit me up on the comments below. But this is my channel. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you subscribe to it. And we'll see you on the next one, guys.